I'm good. New Year's and Christmas was good to you?
Yes, Happy New Year's and everything.
Yeah, I didn't talk to you since last year.
I know since last year it's been a long time.
Yeah. So you were in touch with oh, you're logging in as from another device.
Yeah, so I can see better screen.
Okay. It's always confusing when you do that.
Okay. Yeah,
Um,
I wanted to call him and but I worked late today because I have a project that needs to be finished this week. So I have a little bit time left, so I wanted to work extra a little bit.
I understand. What type of project is it?
It's a full apartment building, 3 bedroom, two bathrooms, flooring, painting, putting a new wall, dividing the 2 bedroom. There was a big bedroom. They wanted to make a 2 bedroom. So
Oh, so
paint,
they're cutting the bedroom in half.
yeah, so make it 2 bedroom. So we
Okay.
have wall.
Okay. Interesting. Um, okay. Uh, so I wanted to talk strategy because we didn't really talk strategy.
Yeah,
Um, we talked about you hiring virtual assistants, right?
yes.
I think that's an important factor. Um, one of actually the Odd Jobs company placed an ad and they have 500 resumes. We don't know how many are good. He already chose three virtual assistants that we're training. I mean, there's enough resumes there that you should be able to choose from. The problem is getting access because the site blocks access from different IP addresses.
Yeah,
Um, so we're having that issue. But you need to either do a pay-per-click campaign, which is well, not necessarily expensive, but you need to do it, and you need to hire virtual assistants because the virtual assistants will create better quality jobs, but it takes longer time, right?
where them from?
The Philippines usually.
Okay, and where do we go? Which site to hire them?
Uh, uh, I'll send you the address. You can place ads for free. And he actually got 500 resumes from a free ad. So he didn't upgrade. But when you upgrade, it's like $50 a year, so it's not a lot.
Yeah,
But to go through all these resumes takes a lot of time, right?
yeah.
So what I would suggest you do is create your own site if you want to do that. Um, then look at 10 resumes, hire the best one in 10, and have that person go back and rate the other ones to find 10 good ones for you to interview. Because for you to read 75 resumes or 500 resumes is not a good use of your time, right?
I know. Don't
So
have
if
that.
you pay someone, hire them for 30 days and say, here's your first task. If I like you, I'm going to keep you on. If you do a good job, then I'll keep you on. But they should be able to narrow it down to 10 resumes. It's easier to read 10 resumes than 500, right? Then hire three of them. Then I will help you train them.
Okay,
Okay. And really, you should be doing a pay-per-click campaign as well. So that way your business gets launched a lot faster.
okay. Uh, Ads that I told you about. Remember my ad center? They have a complete automated stuff. They have some kind of a promotion for two something per month, and they have a lot of stuff that they will be advertising and Kijiji, because once I started that, I had a lot of business from that.
Okay. Well, if it's profitable business, I mean, $200 doesn't sound like a lot. Yeah, do it.
Yeah, I did it for 6 months at once. and I got like over $200,000 job.
Okay. Yeah,
And
do it. Do it. That sounds good.
this time I did it for 3 months. It was like almost 200 something, and it cost me a just 200 something, and I got like 60, $70,000 job.
Perfect. Okay. Perfect. That even sounds better than the pay-per-click campaigns.
Yeah,
Um,
you'll
but
even
then,
put up or you're allowed 6 ad to put anywhere in the country you want.
okay.
Yeah, they will help you with ads and everything too, but we got to do what we want to do to achieve what we want to do.
Okay. And it's $200 for 3 months.
Seven every month.
Sorry, repeat that.
$297 every month.
Oh, $300 a month. Okay. Well, if you're getting a return on it, then yeah, keep doing it. Um, so you get 6 ads. So maybe if you don't need all 6 ads, maybe you can share that with someone else and split the cost with them or something.
I could, yeah.
Um, okay. Well, remind me again. I'll bounce it off some people. We're starting a painting company um, with a partner, so maybe we can try that.
Okay.
Um,
So what do we do? What's next step for us to go move on?
well, I would say the very important step is hiring those virtual assistants because you're not doing a lot of the work you should be doing, right?
Yeah.
And 3 virtual assistants at $500 each, let's say $1,500 a month. They should be able to get you, quite a bit of work ready for spring. Then that way you can hire people, and you can start booking projects, hire a salesperson, and the idea is to get this company to $2 or $3 million as quickly as possible. And in order to do that, you're going to need to hire people. Virtual assistants should be the first one. You have a good bookkeeper, accountant?
Yeah, I have. I worked with them before.
Okay. Because you need your numbers up to date, right?
Yeah.
Your numbers are the steering wheel of your bus, so they have to be up to date. So which means receipts and everything has to be your bookkeeper on same day, so you know what's happening.
You're talking about the expense and all cost, material,
Yeah,
things like
yeah. And you're using QuickBooks, or what are you using?
QuickBook sometimes. Yeah.
Not sometimes, every day. Okay, not sometimes. We don't want to be efficient sometimes. We need to be efficient every day.
Okay.
Okay. So QuickBooks Online is probably the easiest thing to do. Then that way you can look at your spreadsheet. You know exactly where, if you're running 3 jobs at a time, you know exactly where the material costs, labor costs, you're ahead of schedule, behind schedule, whatever it is, you can control your jobs. Control of the jobs is extremely important, or else you're not going to make any money. There's no point in doing this unless you make, a ton of money.
Yeah.
Okay.
And that's the first thing to do is to hire people.
Yeah.
Yeah. Could you give me a second? 1 second. I have to open the door.
Yeah.
Sorry.
No problem. Um,
Well,
so getting work in is the first step. So a pay-per-click campaign, if you can keep doing Kijiji, then that's fine. as long as they're profitable jobs. I didn't find jobs from Kijiji all that profitable. People are shopping price there. But if you can close, then that's fine. Just make sure you maintain your margins. So Kijiji, pay-per-click, the website, get the videos to Shawshank so he can upload videos and stuff like that. Because a lot of this stuff on there is from Google. You can get into trouble by having pictures from on there. There should be all your stuff, or else
Yeah.
you can get into deep shit. So let's change those over as quickly as possible.
Okay. So that's the thing, and pay-per-click and Kijiji. When are we getting
The truck wrap, that's something, it's not an immediate concern right now, but the truck wrap is, let's say $5,000 with taxes and everything. So whenever you get $5,000, you should do that.
Yeah, that can wait, no problem.
Yeah.
Mm,
But wait, but I'd like to see it ready for spring. Okay. The truck should be ready for spring,
okay.
which doesn't give you a lot of time. So,
Okay.
but you should contact, start getting quotes. You already have a basic design for the truck. They need to modify it because yours is a different truck, but you should get quotes. And you should get at least 3 different quotes in the Toronto area. The best one, like I said, the best quotes we got were from Ottawa. Driving to Ottawa, I'm not sure it makes sense. So get some quotes here. And they're probably going to take 2 or 3 months to do the work. So that's something you need to work on it, but you don't have to worry about paying for it until, March or something.
Mhm. You said there's gonna be like a business plans and everything in there?
Yeah. Yeah, the business blueprint is $5,000. Again, there's so much shit we need to do that we need to prioritize things. And once you have 3 assistants, then that way you can accomplish a lot more because you can delegate a lot of the work to the assistants.
Mhm.
Okay. You can even hire a bookkeeper in the Philippines and pay them, a pretty good price. And that way they're doing bookkeeping and marketing at the same time. That could be an option for you if you don't have the best bookkeeper.
Okay. Okay. I'll have to do some search.
Yeah, and I'll send you the website for you to start looking at virtual assistants.
Okay.
Uh,
Yeah. So I can go on tonight and look at it.
okay. All right.
Okay.
Anything else today? I think that's enough for you.
That's enough. Yeah, we will talk maybe later, I
Okay.
guess.
All right. Have a good night.
You too. Bye-bye.